In this video, we're going to learn how to add text and titles to your video. Text is extremely important in editing, whether you're creating YouTube tutorials, reaction videos, reels, or cinematic edits. You'll always need titles at some point. Let's begin. First, move the playhead on the timeline to the position where you want your text to appear. Now, select the Type tool from the toolbar. Once selected, click directly inside the program monitor and start typing your text. As soon as you type, Adobe Premiere Pro automatically creates a graphics layer on the timeline above your video clip. Now let's customize the text. With the text layer selected, go to the Properties panel on the right side. Here you can change the font style, adjust the font size, change the color, make it bold or regular, adjust alignment. You'll also see options for position and transform, which allow you to move the text anywhere on the screen. You can either adjust the position values in the Properties panel or simply click and drag the text directly inside the program monitor to reposition it visually. If you want your text to appear only for a specific duration, simply drag the edges of the text layer on the timeline to shorten or extend it. That's how you control how long the title stays on screen. And that's it. You now know how to add, customize, and position text and titles in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials in this course.